Today on Nerdalyfic, we're going to look at the average formula. Now, we used this in a previous video. If you wanted to get the average of the on-time delivery percentage, we could use an average formula. Now, this formula is very simple. You type in equals average. Now, you can select multiple different cells by clicking on one and hitting a comma and selecting another one, or in this case, because we have a specific range, we are just going to highlight this range. Close brackets, and voila! It automatically takes on the same formatting as the cells we are averaging, and we get an average of 92%. Now, what happens if we select it with all the blank cells? We'll just click on the function bar and delete this and select a bigger range. It is still 92% because all of these are blank. Now, what happens if we add a 0? Now that there is data in there, even though it is still 0, it is going to alter the result of this formula. So it's best if you're using the average formula to keep it blank. Stay tuned for a future video to show you the average if formula. That's all for today, short and sweet. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time.